Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix DNS Server Not Responding laptop. Chapter 1. How to fix DNS Server Not Responding laptop resetting parameters. To start, right-click on the Start menu and click on Terminal Admin. You must click Yes to access. Here, run the command netsh winsock reset, press Enter. Now run the command ipconfig/flush DNS. To apply these changes, you are going to restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to fix DNS Server Not Responding laptop changing DNS. To start, enter network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. After that, right-click on the adapter and select Properties. Here, select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Then select the Use the following DNS server addresses checkbox. You can make use of some of the public addresses. Apply the changes. Chapter 3. How to fix DNS Server Not Responding laptop configuring network adapter. To get started, enter network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. Now right-click on the adapter and select Properties. Click on Configure. After that, go to the Advanced tab. Select the locally administered address line. Then check the value box and enter the MAC address of the card. Click OK. Chapter 4. How to fix DNS Server Not Responding laptop from the console. To start, right-click on the Start menu and click on Terminal Admin. Click on Yes to open the terminal. Here, record again the DNS. Run ipconfig/register DNS. Press Enter. Then release the IP address. Run ipconfig/release. After this, renew the IP address, run the command ipconfig/renew. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.